Hi guys, this is Dr. Nida with Keys of Health. Today I want to share with you a treasure I recently discovered, gum arabic. Gum arabic is also known as acacia fiber or acacia gum. It is loaded with health benefits. I was amazed. And the best thing about it, it has no taste, no color, no texture, and no odor. So you can dissolve it in water and drink it. This is especially good news for those of you who are sensitive to strong tastes and smells. Acacia gum looks like this. It is the dried sap of acacia trees and is rich in soluble fiber. This property helps it lower cholesterol levels in the body, keep blood sugar in check, protect against diabetes, and aid in the treatment of digestive disorders like IBS. Because it can relieve irritation and inflammation, gum arabic can also help control cough. It can coat your throat and protect the mucus in your throat from irritation. Using gum arabic for coughs can keep your throat from becoming sore, as well as ease or prevent infections and loss of voice. The gum dissolves in water and forms a gel-like substance in the intestines, which means it is ideal for relief of constipation. And the best bit is that it is not only great for treating constipation, it is also highly effective in treating diarrhea. That's because it balances the pH levels in the intestines and also reduces gut inflammation. It is also great for weight loss because of its high fiber content. It gives you this feeling of satiety and it suppresses appetite and it has really low amount of calories. It is great for liver. It's a great liver aid, especially for people who use acetaminophen, which is a pain medication. Gum arabic has the ability to protect the liver against the drug's toxicity, which makes it an effective detoxifier all over. But the best bit about gum arabic is that it is an excellent prebiotic. Prebiotics are a special form of dietary fiber that act as a fertilizer for the good bacteria in your gut, the probiotics. Probiotics actually need prebiotics in order to survive, thrive, and keep your gut healthy. Gum arabic is available in powdered form, in tablets, capsules, or in the form of gum that you saw on your screen. Personally, I prefer to buy it in the gum form because I can see what I am buying. You want to buy it from a reputable company to ensure you're getting the real gum arabic and not a synthetic imitation. The best way to use it is by soaking a piece of gum arabic in a cup of water overnight and drinking it in the morning, including the dissolved jello-like substance at the bottom of the cup. I think it goes without saying that you should not use faucet water, which may contain high levels of chlorine or even lead. Make sure you either use mineral water or filtered water. It's definitely worth investing into a good water filter. Don't expect miracles. Every natural product or herb needs some time before you start seeing results. You need to use the product consistently for at least 3 weeks regularly before you see a major difference. You will notice immediate results, don't get me wrong, but you won't see any major difference in your overall health until you use it consistently. And of course, you have to take it as a package with lifestyle choices, your diet. It's a whole package that makes the difference, not an individual product. As always, be your best self. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and share the video. And leave me your messages in the comment section below. Definitely let me know how you found gum arabic to work for you. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.